Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a card share video. I had some new supplies that I wanted to use and share those cards with you and the supplies that I used. So first up, I used these banner. It's called Basic Banner Celebrate by Pink Fresh Studio. And what's really cool about this is that you have the die that you can just cut them all out. This is one stamp, and so you can just run them through your die cut, and you'll have all these different sentiments. It says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 sentiments at one shot. I've had this for a while, but I like using this. And then I also use one of my favorite stamp and die sets by Waffle Flower. This is Essential Celebrations, and you can see how dark the stamps are. That I've used this quite a bit. It has a coordinating die set, and these sets are not inexpensive. So the fact that you can get so many different sentiments from it, you can either stamp them on your designs, or you can die cut them out for your use. So really love this set. It's one of my favorites. And then I've also used another die set from Gina Marie Dies, and this is the banner set. You just can't beat Gina Marie dies. They're not very expensive, and they cut beautifully for me all the time. So I use this in my card making. I used this paper from Not Too Shabby. It's called A Manly Birthday, and it's a 6x6 paper pad with 24 double-sided designs, 4 of each design, and I'll just kind of take you through it real quick. So I saw a crafter here on YouTube. I can't think of her name right now, and she often used Not Too Shabby designs, and I saw her haul this, and I thought, okay, this is, I don't know, I was attracted to it immediately and went ahead and placed the order for the paper pad. And then I also purchased the ephemera set, the ephemera die cut pieces. And I don't know, they're the masculine birthday, but they kind of look, I don't know. I saw them when she shared them, and I liked them, but some of them kind of remind me of spooky, I don't know. But here are some of the designs. You get bottles and caps and bow ties and luscious looking cakes and dark wrapped presents, balloons that kind of give like a little spooky look to me. I don't know, what do you think? And then the cake, you have baseball. So if you have a person that you're making a masculine type card, or it doesn't have to be not masculine, you have baseballs and best wishes and happy birthday, like a beer bottle, a tie, and more balloons, hats. So a lot of the designs you get 2 of, but one is larger than the other. I really like that one, but I know with the dripping, I don't know, it just kind of leaned toward spooky. I don't know. So let me show you the cards that I made. I made 3 super simple cards because I was thinking, these would be masculine cards. And so here's the first one. And I used the die, a cutout sentiment, and I thought it looked cute on there, even though it's white, with the white background. And I kind of got this design from one of the YouTubers I watched the other day. She made a card, and she used ribbon on her banner on the front, and I like that, but I wanted to use just paper, and so I kind of took that design a little bit from her, and then I popped up the birthday cake, and then this one has the, was it fleur-de-lis design on it, and so super simple, I think. And then the next one, I really like this one, this print, Argyle maybe, and I like the big sentiment. These were, some of the other sentiments were probably worked with a smaller card. This is a 5 by 6.5 card, and then I actually stamped on the banner which was really kind of scary for me because I stamped on it after I adhered it to the card. And I was just like, oh man, you're not that great of a stamper to be stamping on something that's almost complete. But it worked out. So this is the second card. And then here is the third card. It says party time. And once again, I stamped directly after I had adhered the banner piece, which is crazy. And then on the inside, I have the sentiment on a banner. I think I did that for all of them. I normally don't show the middle of inside of my cards because I never know who's watching my video and they may get a card, one of these cards. And so I like that to be, you know, kind of a surprise if they do. But I think this one is my favorite with the present. And then, of course, on the back, I have my stamp with FP Handmade. So let me know what you think. Do these lend toward masculine to you? Or I think they could go either way. Maybe if I put some jimmies on it, I don't know, it would look more feminine. I'm not sure. But I really enjoyed making these cards. Thank you for watching, as always. And I hope you have a great day. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye.